Alright, welcome everybody. eBay break number 17. 5 boxes. 2014-15 totally certified basketball. And as always, we have lanyard packs 1 and 2. If you're new here, lanyard packs will be randomed off to all 30 teams at the end of the break. The top 2 teams get the packs. If you're in the room, you pick what pack you want, and we can open it and show you and then send it, or we can just send it. Your choice. Alright, here we go. First box, good luck. What's up, Eddie? Still hanging around, huh? Pack 1. Base. Ricky Rubio, Timberwolves. 227 of 279. Red version. Karl Malone, base. First hit is an auto for the Sixers. 159 of 249. And no be focusing. KJ McDaniels. On card, rookie roll call. And base. Pack 2. Base. Corey Jefferson, rookie card. You take it? Yeah, nice right out the gate, huh? For the Clippers, 131 of 299. Blake Griffin, certified excellence. Next hit for the Bulls, Doug McDermott, 99 of 199. Single color jersey. And base. Hey Eddie, is the video working better tonight? I know you said it was kind of sketchy the other night. I changed the camera around. Try to get the crackle out of it. Morning base. Nick Johnson, rookie card, Rockets. Oh, nice. Warriors, 52 of 135. Curry, die cut, red version. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, I got it off of that. Got it more secure off of the wobbleness. But the Celtics, James Young, 44 of 249. Single color jersey. Kevin Garnett base. Last pack, box 1. JJ Redick base. Another die cut for the Magic. 65 of 74. Aaron Gordon, purple. For the Spurs, David Robinson, 84 of 149, purple. Next hit for the Timberwolves, Ricky Rubio, 89 of 199. Epic single jersey. Kevin Durant base. And that's it for box 1. Box of number 2. Russell Westbrook base. Jordan Adams rookie card. DeMar DeRozan for the Raptors. 285 of 299. Great American Heroes. Another die cut jersey piece for the Bulls, 8 of 99. Taj Gibson. Single jersey. Dion Waiters base. Pack 2, box 2. Tony Parker base. James Young rookie card. For the Thunder, Russell Westbrook, 90 of 149. Purple. It's your auto for the Timberwolves. Right team, wrong player, I guess. Glenn Robinson III, 4 of 99. Sticker auto, present potential. And base. Pack 3, box 2. Wilt Chamberlain base. Yeah, me too at first. I was like, oh yeah, wrong guy. Yeah, it would have been nice to been a Wiggins. Nice low number here. Ben McLemore for the Kings, 10 of 10. I think this is the gold. The gold die cut, I believe. Yeah, the gold die cut. Makes it weird how they just cut his whole hand out. Like, okay, cut the card right here. All right, you got it. Okay. Dwight Howard for the Rockets. 5 of 149. Purple. Or maybe that might be blue. Blue, dark blue. The blues and the purples are so close. Clear cloth for the Mavericks. Dirk Nowitzki. 129 of 299. Fan base. Last pack, box 2. Oscar Robertson base. Dion Waiters, 94 of 279 for the Cavaliers. Red. Carmelo Anthony base. Auto for the Rockets. Jordan Hamilton, 10 of 25. Sticker, present potential. Jeff Teague base. All right, box 3. Need a good bet auto out here. Last night, I think we had Jerry West last night for the Lakers, and the night before we had Larry Bird for the Celtics. Was that bet auto? Nice. Pack 1, box 3. Clyde Drexler base. Red for the Rockets, Yao Ming. 110 of 279. Kemba Walker, purple. 147 of 149. Auto right out the gate for the Hornets. Rookie roll call. PJ Hairston. 168 of 249. It's that thing called focus we're lacking tonight, I go. Rookie roll call on card. Dion Waiters base. Pack 2, box 3. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Box 3. Pack 2, box 3. Noah Vonleh for the Hornets. 10 of 25. Die cut. That's got to be the purple rookie card. Kevin Durant base. Jabari Parker for the Bucks. 16 of 249. Hopefully it'll have a little color to it, a little patch or something. Oh, single color jersey. And DeMarco Cousins base. Yes, 2014-15 totally certified basketball. Swifty. I don't know if you're asking or telling me. Yeah, he's asking what. No, he's not asking what brand. He's asking what box we're at. We're at box. We're halfway through the break. Box 3, pack 3. Base. Clanthony Early rookie card. For the Timberwolves, Pekovic, die cut 9/135. The red. For the Warriors, clear cloth, Harrison Barnes, 83/299. And DeRozan base. Last pack, box 3. Joakim Noah, base. Bruno Caboclo, rookie card. For the Spurs, Tim Duncan, certified excellence. $111/299. And for the Timberwolves, clear cloth, Anthony Benet, 238/299. Jeff Teague base. Alright, that's it for box 3. Alright, box 4. Good luck. Pack 1, box 4. Showing Marion for the Cavs. Base. Spencer Dinwiddie, rookie card for the Pistons. Jerry West, purple for the Lakers. Numbered 87/149. For the Knicks, clear cloth, Amari Stoudemire, 61/299. Single jersey. Yao Ming base. Box 4, pack 2. Monte Ellis, base. Red for the Warriors, Klay Thompson. $262/279. Great American Heroes, Paul George for the Pacers. $77/299. And your auto. Yes, indeed. Base, Julius Erving. Who's got the Timberwolves? DRP, you got the Timberwolves? You? Well, good luck. I mean, my bad. Not good luck. Congratulations. Your auto is Andrew Wiggins, rookie roll call. On card. 150 of 249. There you go. Box 4, pack 3. You're welcome. Glad I could help you out with that. Henderson base. Anthony Early rookie card. Red die cut for the Thunder. Steven Adams. 61 of 135. And for the Wizards, clear cloth, Nene. 49 of 299. Isaiah Thomas base. Tim Hardaway base. Damian Lillard die cut. 9 of 74. Mitch McGary rookie card. The red. 125 of 279. DeMar DeRozan epic. 143 of 149. Two dual jersey, single color each. In the mailman base. Alright, that's it for box 4. Here we go, guys. Last box. Pack 1. Dwight Howard base. Stauskas rookie card. $174, $279, Johnny O'Brien. That's the red version. Your autos in the first box. Base. First pack. Auto is Bailey Howell for the Pistons, 37 of 60. Ballot Busters sticker auto. For the Pistons. Another. Alex Len base. Zach LaVine rookie card. Steph Curry for the Warriors. 263 of 299. Certified excellence. Also for the Warriors, Andrew Bogut, 94 of 99. Die cut jersey. Single color. Kevin Martin base. Terrence Ross base. Another Steph Curry. 2 of 25. Come on, focus. Anyway, 2 of 25. Certified excellence. So you have the 2 of 25, and you have the 263 of 299. I guess one maybe a bronze and one's a gold. Not sure. But you have them both. They're yours. For the Knicks, 6 of 149. Patrick Ewing. I think my focus quit on me. I'm going to have to fix it. Purple. The hit. Andre Iguodala. Clear cloth. There you go. Finally some color. For the Warriors. I think it was a Warriors pack. 8 of 10. Wow. I guess they put color on it and you get a low number. Must be the gold clear cloth version. There you go. 8 of 10. 2 color. Clear cloth. Nice. No. This is one of them. I'm gonna aggravate you. There's a good house for you. Magic Johnson base. Last pack, guys. Good luck. Dwayne Wade base. Kyrie Irving, 201 of 279. Red. Chris Paul base. Another auto. Last card is Channing Frye base. We end the break with our last auto for the Pistons. Kyle Singler, 43 of 99. Present Potential sticker auto. Hey, DRP, do you collect Wiggins? Because if it's available, we would be interested. And that's it for the boxes. We are doing the Lanyard packs 1 and 2. We're going to roll the dice and see how many times we'll random. I don't blame you. 8. All teams in. That's tonight's, right? Not last night's, right? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have the Nuggets and the Suns. Nuggets on top, Suns number 2. Is either team in the room? You can drop that. Suns is in the room. How about Nuggets? Looking for the Nuggets. Okay, I'm guessing the Nuggets are not. Okay, Suns, your choice. Pack 1 or 2. Alright, you want to open it or send it sealed? Open it? Okay. And you said 2, right? So pack 1.
Goes to
The Nuggets. Yeah. We'll get pack 1, and they are not in the room. Okay. Yeah, I like all my art. This is my little girl's art. I'm going to be selling this soon, so y'all got to buy some of that. Remember that.
Fill up my high.
Yeah, and they like to tell you good luck. Anyway, back to the pack. Pack number 2. This is just a little something extra we offer at our breaks. We're from New Orleans area, a little lanyard. A little something extra. My daughter did though. You didn't do them. She did them last night in here with me.
My daughter.
Oh, whatever. Whatever, dude. All right, there we go. 96, 97 Hardwood Prospects, Kobe Bryant. Airtime Departure, Michael Jordan. And the other side has Airtime Arrival, Gate 1. Third card. Brandon Bass, Press Pass Refractor, 18 of 500. Rookie card. Platinum Portraits, Tracy McGrady, jersey. Not numbered. 0304 Fleer Platinum. There you go. Just a little something extra. Just for saying thank you for joining our breaks. And that will be sent with your regular cards that you got tonight. You're very welcome. Without you guys, we wouldn't be doing this, and we do enjoy doing this, so try to give it a little something back. Stop recording for the tube.